Today's decluttering project is one that hits home. If you're frustrated, if you're creatively blocked, or things are just going sideways in your life, they're just all not going right, and you don't know what's going on, and you're frustrated, we're gonna declutter that frustration and put things back on the right track today. So let's get started. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention, which is an entire method and school of Feng Shui unlike anything else in the world. This work is based on infinite possibility. Everything's possible. Creative awakening, because you are the creator of your life, and the more creative you are, the more you will manifest. And your intention, your wishes, dreams, and desires coming to life in your home, in your life, everywhere you look. So today we're getting into another form of decluttering to remove emotions from your life that you are done with. And one of the most powerful ways to get rid of frustration and things going wrong is to start by not pushing against it. I had so many things go wrong in the span of a week at the beginning of the year. Everything, no internet, my air fryer exploded, my carpet was destroyed. A million different things happened all at once. So many things that at first I tried to push against it. And I was like, what is it? What's happening? I got to fight against this. And it wasn't until about 4 days into the process that I said, you know what? I'm just going to replace things as they blow up. I'm just going to go with this. I'm not going to fight it anymore. I'm going to focus on what I need to create, and everything is going to be okay. And slowly but surely, things started to turn around, and within about 10 days, and with a whole lot of mayhem behind me, I was able to get to a whole nother level of focus and creativity. So if you've got some things going sideways in your life right now, and you're getting all amped up and even more frustrated, I understand, but I'm telling you, it can help so much to not push against it, but rather to just go, okay, so this is happening. Let me stay focused on what I need. What is my goal? And in the meantime, I'll just clean this stuff up as it happens. We'll just make the most of it. That energy is going to help you so much. That energy can help you so much in life in general. One of the things that I'm really passionate about is going with the flow and creating more flow. When we want to get rid of frustration, to get rid of blocks, to put things on the right path, what we want is more flow in our lives. So one of the things you can do in your home to start this decluttering is to untangle all the cords in your life. So if you have lots of tangled up cords, tangled up cables, tangled up chargers, now's the time to put it all in order so that it's all really clear and organized and out of sight as much as possible. There are so many wonderful ways to cover your cords and organize your cords. If you go on Amazon and do a little search, you'll see there are cable organizers and all sorts of wonderful ways to be more aesthetic with your cords so that all of this energy flows freely. Cords are ways that energy moves. Do you ever think of that? Cords are not just what you plug into the wall and you could charge your phone. There's a whole stream of energy that goes through the cord. So if it's all tangled up, it's more tangled up energy flow around you. Untangle, organize, corral, and beautify those cords. I know it sounds like a small thing, but it can make such a huge difference. The next thing that you could do, which is incredible, is to get rid of stuff in your entryway that's piled up. If things have piled up in your entryway, it's an immediate block that you see and other people see when they walk into your home. So you're getting messages from your home all day long. And so when you first walk into your house, do you want the message to be, there's no room, everything's stuck, everything's full, I'm so frustrated? No, you want to open the door and go, I'm home. I'm in my sanctuary. I feel amazing. And so any shoes that have piled up, things that have piled up, coats that are piled up, find a place for these things so that you have flow in your entryway. What a difference it's going to make. Oh my goodness. If you want to really take this to the next level, Declutter everything you use in your daily routine. We don't go into every cabinet, every shelf, every closet, or every attic in our home, right? We just don't do that every single day. But every single day, we probably go into the same closets and drawers and the shower, and we go into the refrigerator, maybe the pantry. We certainly will sit down wherever we have a computer and spend time there. There are certain areas where you know for sure you will visit them just about every single day. Map those out for yourself. What are those spaces? Those are the main places for you to declutter first, so that you feel the opening in your life that helps to open up any creative blocks and stagnation that's been lingering, so that again, you have more of that dynamic, magnetic, abundant flow, which is so exciting. And if you want to supercharge your decluttering for the new year, below in the description box, you will find a link to sign up for the free Feng Shui decluttering video series, which is epic. It's over an hour of Feng Shui that's so unique and so powerful, that's helped thousands of people to transform their homes and create the greatest fresh starts. So you'll find that in the description box below. I hope you love it all. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends. It helps the channel so much. It supports the work so much, and I so appreciate you. This entire channel is full of videos for you to explore, and I will be back soon with more. Bye.